going on, guys? It is TJ with Gold Label Sports back again with another video, and today's video is on how to crush it on eBay selling, buying your sports cards in 2022 and beyond. This is an updated version from my 2021 video I did later on in 2021. So this is the updated version. Can't wait to bring you guys these new tips and tricks so you guys can absolutely crush it on eBay buying and selling your sports cards. So if you're new, please consider subscribing. We talk about how to own and operate your own sports card brand or business, and just talk about general hobby news, notes, and all things cards. So like I said, subscribe if you're new, like and comment if you are seeing great success on eBay or if you need any tips or advice. So first things first, eBay is ever evolving. Right now too, eBay is one of probably the number one place to sell, but also buy your sports cards. The reason why eBay is really good is because it's its own centralized marketplace of buyers. So you really get targeted organic traffic to your site, to your store, and to your cards, so you're able to get more eyeballs and increase your opportunity to sell. Number two, eBay is just where all the sports cards buyers and sellers are. And that's another thing. You have a very centralized, targeted audience that you can promote via paid advertising or organic reach with your listings. So you're able to reach everyone to increase your opportunity for a sale as well. Number three, eBay lets you promote on their platform now. It's still in the beta stages. There still is a little bit of bugs here and there, but I'll give you some gold here. All you need is to set your ad promotion, kind of the conversion number that's there, to 1.0. If you do that, you will see pretty much an immediate increase in sales. That's all you really need in the sports card niche to get the eyeballs needed on your items. So if you guys are struggling with sales and you guys aren't learning how to use your listing promotion effectively, try that out. Let me know what you guys think, and I'm sure you guys will see success. In my current store, I've said this in other videos, when I am in buy and then sell season, I'm doing anywhere from $1,000 in profit a month, all the way up to $3,000 in profit, which equates to about $8,000 to $10,000 in sales. That's my all-time high. I'm not able to scale past that because I'm just a one-man band. So I just do what I can handle, and it's worked out quite well. So if you guys are looking to start, really increasing those sales, apply those little bit of tips, and it can really help you out. Take you from, let's say $200 a month to $500 a month, $500 a month to $1,000 a month, and so on and so forth. Number five, guys. eBay is your chance to brand yourself. If you guys don't want to be on social media, in front of the camera, doing all these things, eBay lets you brand yourself. You can put your logo right there inside of your bio. You can have your descriptions, what your store is about, also links to your social media if you have any, and then you are able to funnel that organic traffic all the way to your social medias, so that you're able to grow those platforms too and keep a circle going. It's awesome, and it's a great way to really utilize your brand growth and brand recognition that you deserve, especially if you have a really high rated profile. Obviously the best is 100%, but if you're anywhere from 90 or above, you're in a really good spot to generate that trust with your audience and increase your sales. By the way, guys, if you guys are on eBay right now and you are not seeing success, you really need to go and look at your listing count. If you guys only have like 10 items up there, getting a few sales here and there, eBay promotes profiles that have a ton of active listings. Remember, you should, like on my account, I get anywhere from 250 to 500 free listings a month before I'm charged to list. Also too, you really got to maximize those. If that's your kind of threshold, let's say it's 50 or 100, you got to try and post 50 items. You got to try and post 100 items. Try to really max it out every single month to give yourself an opportunity. If things aren't working out, you can always take the item down and relist. You should be getting a boost in your limits every single month if you guys are active on eBay. If you guys don't have any issues, if you guys do this, that, if you have perfect months, which, it's pretty easy to do on eBay if you play your cards right. Obviously, that buying and selling comes with a lot of, different customers, some angry, some awesome, some lifetime, some short term. So you really have to play into your audiences and just serve the everyday customer or buyer, even if they're a pain in the butt. So, that's going into my next thought. Customer service is key. Your eBay rating, if you guys have a bad eBay rating, really work on improving your customer service, from packaging and handling to pricing, to your shipping times, to your shipping costs. Everything adds up. And then also leaving feedback for people who have bought your items, and if you bought your items for those people. People see your account there in the feedback section, and it allows you to get that organic traffic. So you're able to use that organic traffic similar to YouTube, where you just keep a revolving door going, and funnel to the appropriate links and grow your profiles. eBay, everyone kind of gets on them because their fees are so high, but you guys need to understand it's a centralized marketplace, which means it's individual marketplace. You have a ton of buyers in one spot at one time, and they have millions of buyers and sellers on there a month that are active users, engaging, doing it the right way. If you guys follow these simple tips, making sure the customer service is on point, making sure your pricing is competitive. Don't be greedy. Don't be trying to gouge every dollar. Be really competitive with your pricing. Know the market, know what's buying and selling now, know what not to post. You need to have what the people want. One of the reasons why me and so many other of the people that I know and my colleagues in the hobby, we do really well on eBay, because we have what people want. Every month we have what people want. We don't sit around and follow crazy trends or whatnot, but we always have supply of people want. In sports, Tom Brady, LeBron James, Michael Jordan. In modern, it's numbered cards, certain parallels, certain sets. Let's say we're talking about Pokemon in non-sports, Pokemon, Charizard, vintage. And then in the modern, you want to have exclusive cards that people, really have a hard time in finding. So you need to have the certain sets if you want. If you want to go into sealed, product, have the sets that are coming out now that are really hot, capitalize on them. You can buy and sell and flip them, but always keep those vintage product, held really tight for when the market, comes back on those products, so you're able to sell them effectively and either make some profit, go even if you're in the hole, or just continue to grow your portfolio and collection and wait for the right time. I know tons of people who sell collections on eBay, and that might be a way to start. Buy in bulk, buy lots, try to get these graded cards up at great deals, so you're able to buy and sell and flip them. You pour that money back into bigger cards, and you're able to have then what people want on eBay. eBay is really, really tricky for some, but if you guys just follow these simple tricks, you're going to be able to see slow progression, and then it's going to pick up really, really quick once you have an optimized eBay profile that is made for selling, made for buying, and you pay on time. Everything comes back to either haunt you or help you. So if you guys are paying on time, great customer service, treating your customers with respect, and even the people you're buying from with respect, even if they are hard, to deal with at points where you're negotiating deals and it goes south, sometimes it's better to just, save yourself and save your reputation than trying to win, an argument, or either just trying to win a card. There's always going to be a card that comes back up, whether it's a low pop card or a high pop card, or a card you want, or for your personal collection or your, buying or selling interests. So you just have to know and be active on eBay to really maximize the platform. Now, if you're looking to truly scale your eBay, I would sit there and, track your inventory. So start with your inventory, track it, see what's working, see what's selling the most, what type of card is selling the most. Like I said, Charizards sell all the time, super quick. Michael Jordan cards sell super quick. All-time LeBrons, people like that, Derek Jeter, Wayne Gretzky, big time guys, even if they're kind of base cards or just really rare cards, they sell all the time. So know what is selling that you guys have in your collection. Know what's selling the most, know what's selling the least, remove what's the least, have what people want on there that's selling the most out of your collection. And sometimes, you might need to take your eBay listings down and reassess, regroup, so that for the next month you're able to have what people want. Regroup, reassess, understand where you're at, where you need to go. create some goals and really go after them. So if you guys are looking to really grow and scale your eBay store to doing those 6 to 10K months, I know people that do literally millions of dollars in sales in 90 days because they know how to work the system, know how to use their profile effectively. And just for an example, guys, if you're a box breaker with basically an unlimited account, you have had an eBay account for decades or whenever they came out, and you basically take your if you're a box breaker, you take all your big hits that people don't obviously get in your breaks, put them on eBay to sell them, and you just keep that money coming. That's why a lot of people are successful, because they really work the system in terms of knowing what to do, what cards to have, what sets to have, and being able to put them up for people to see. So let's just do a quick recap of what we covered in today's video. We learned some top 6-7 tricks on how to enhance your eBay profile. Number one, brand your eBay profile with the appropriate logo that you guys have, description. Make sure that you have a great customer record. So your rating on eBay should be anywhere between 90 and 100%. Make sure you guys are keeping that as high as absolutely possible, in order to build trust with your customers that come to your page and your listings. Number three, guys, when you're try promoting your listings with a 1% promotion fee on top of your listings. It will really help ramp up sales and get you in the flow and get you the trust and credibility needed alongside your profile to generate monthly consistent sales. Remember, guys, you want to use eBay as a funnel, so you want to make sure that your profile is absolutely flawless and it looks like you're on kind of an e-commerce store. It needs to be that flawless. So make sure you guys, if you guys need any help, make sure that you really are assessing your profile and going from there and seeing, okay, I really need help in my listing category. I don't have enough product that people want up there. Okay, my logo needs a little bit of work. Okay, my product descriptions need work. Whatever it may be, really have an honest conversation with yourself how you can improve, and I promise you will improve. So I hope these tips helped you. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. My name is TJ with Gold Label Sports, and I will see you in the next one.